My dear viewer, this video is very knowledgeable. It is my humble request to do watch this video till the end. Shiva Swami was known in the village for his devotion to Lord Shiv. He would go to the local Shiv temple twice a day. In the morning, he would take with him a pot of milk as an offering to Shiv. In the evening, he would sing songs describing the greatness of Shiv. Shiv is everywhere. He dwells in our heart and he fills the whole universe. He would say. His little daughter Renu used to listen to the stories he narrated and joined him in singing the songs. One day Shiva Swami had some work outside the village. He called Renu and explained to her he would be away for a day. Tomorrow morning, will you take milk to Shiv? Renu gladly agreed and Shiva Swami left on his journey. Next day, Renu got up early in the morning. She took a dip in the village pond, milked the cow and left for the temple. There was no one in the temple. She walked inside announcing in a loud voice, "Look what I have brought for you, Shiv." Just then, a monk walked inside the temple. He had come from a far-off place. The monk was tired and hungry, as he had not eaten for a long time. Overcome by hunger, he collapsed in front of the Shivling. "Shiv!" cried Renu as she ran to him. She sprinkled some water on his face. The monk opened his eyes. "Are you hungry, Shiv?" asked Renu with concern. "I have brought milk for you, Shiv," she said. The monk was too weak to even lift the pot. Renu herself fed him milk. Slowly, the monk regained some strength. "I have a lot of work to do, Shiv," said Renu. "I have to run." She bowed to the Shivling in the temple and hurried to home. By the time Renu reached home, her father had already returned. He was surprised to see his daughter returning with an empty vessel. "Renu, did you take milk to Shiv?" he asked. "Yes, father," said Renu, showing him the empty vessel. "Shiv drank all the milk. See, not a drop left." Shiva Swami was taken aback. Shiv drinking milk? He could not believe it. He thought Renu was lying or she maybe was daydreaming. Shiva Swami was determined to find the truth. The next day, it was Shivratri. He said to Renu to take milk to Shiv once again. He followed her quietly to find out what she would do with the milk. On the way, Renu came across a hungry dog. The dog looked weak. It could hardly walk. It wagged its tail, smelling the milk in Renu's hands. "Oh Shiv, you are hungry?" cried out Renu. "See what I have for you, milk." The dog lapped up all the milk. Renu patted the poor animal with great love. Shiva Swami was stunned to see what his little daughter was doing. "I only talk that Shiv is present everywhere. My innocent daughter actually sees Shiv in everyone," said Shiva Swami to himself. Renu turned back and saw her father. "Father, are you coming to the temple?" she asked. Shiva Swami hugged his daughter, tears welling his eyes, voice trembling. "Yes, Renu, lead me to Shiv," he said, holding her hand. As Renu led her father to the temple, Shiv smiled. This story is inspired by a saying of the Shiv Sharan mystic Basavanna. They drive away a hungry monk and offer food to a link which does not eat. My dear brothers and sisters, when Shiv is present everywhere, then why only in Shivling? Why not in humans and animals too? Please understand that Shiv is the supreme consciousness who pervades every living being. My dear brothers and sisters, the fruits and milk we offer while worshipping the Shivling becomes prasadam. Prasadam in Sanskrit means favor or grace. In Hinduism, food and water offered to a deity during worship. It is believed that the deity partakes of and then returns the offering, thereby consecrating it. The offering is then distributed and eaten by the worshippers. God means everyone and everything. So, food offered to God is distributed to all beings as prasadam, means God ate the food. But just understand the matter, God take care of us all. The right to receive that prasadam is not only for the worshipper, but also for all human beings. Never swallow all the prasadam yourself in ignorance with greed. Others also have equal rights. After worshipping Shivling with fruits and milk, keep a little with you and give every person who is hungry. His soul will bless you. And that soul is none other than Shiv himself. Look at Shiv in every living being. We are not separate from Shiv. This is Advait. This is the realization.
ॐ तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रो प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति ॐ हर हर महादेव.
I hope you learned something from this inspirational story. Subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.